Hi, this is Adrienne. In this video, we're going to talk about multiplying mixed numbers. So the steps are listed here. Our first step is the most important step. We need to write the mixed numeral in fractional notation. That is, as an improper fraction. So we need to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction or fractional form. And then we multiply just like we normally would, and our last step is always to simplify. So if we look at this first example here, 5/7 times 4 and 1/5. We're going to rewrite the problem, 5/7, that's already in fractional form, and then 4 and 1/5. We need to convert that into an improper fraction. So we do that by multiplying. 4 times 5 is 20, and then adding the numerator, 20 plus 1 is 21, and the denominator 5 stays the same. So 4 and 1/5 equals 21/5. So that is written up here as part of our problem. So our problem then is 5/7 times 21/5. And now we're going to treat it like any regular multiplication problem, and we'll look for anything to cancel. In this case, we can cancel the 5's. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And we can also cancel the 7 and the 21. They're both divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So our last step then is to multiply numerators across the top. 1 times 3 is 3. And denominators across the bottom. 1 times 1 is 1. And 3 over 1 can be reduced or simplified to 3. Here's another example. 2 and 2/5 times 1 and 1/9. So we need to convert these mixed numbers into fractional form. So we're going to take the whole number and multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So this will be 12/5. And then we also need to convert 1 and 1/9. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So this will be 10/9. And then we treat it like a regular multiplication problem with fractions and look for anything that we can cancel. So both 5 and 10 are divisible by 5. We can do that. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And both 9 and 12 are divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So then we need to multiply numerators across the top. 4 times 2 is 8, and denominators across the bottom. 1 times 3 is 3. So we get 8/3. And this needs to be simplified. In this case, it is an improper fraction, so we need to convert it to a mixed number by dividing. 8 divided by 3. 3 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6, so we have 2 left over. That remainder of 2 becomes the new numerator, and denominator of 3 remains the same. So 8/3 equals 2 and 2/3, and that is our answer. So the main thing to remember when multiplying mixed numbers is our very first step is we need to convert all of the mixed numbers into fractional form. We need to convert them to improper fractions before we do any multiplying. And then we treat them like a normal multiplication problem.